Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be tracking the storm. For me not posting yesterday, I'm going to make a 5 to 10 minute video now, post it, and then another in-depth, more detailed video later. So let's just get straight into things, no waste, no time. So we're going to actually look at the HRRR model first. I am expecting Philly and New York, you guys are not getting anything. You guys might just get an inch at most. You guys downtrend just continues. It's sad to say if you're a snow lover, but interior, y'all locked in right now. So Philly, you guys might just start out with a quick coating, maybe to an inch. Philly, New York, same. New York has a better shot to see more of a snow event, but the models have trended stronger, and you get on the HRRR with the heavier snow. This is just one run. And then that freezing mix line actually makes it into the Poconos, Allentown, and weirdly the low is along the East Coast. But in my opinion, I don't think it's going to be that far north. In my opinion. Either way, total snow accumulations if this did happen, now expected from Allentown on south 3 to 6. Philly, maybe a coating. New York, still 3 to 6. I do think the Poconos definitely still in that 6 to 10 plus. Maybe my forecast might have to make it into the boundary of 3 to 6. We'll see about that later on tonight. We still wobbling and moving, but with the ice accumulations, maybe up to a tenth to maybe 2/10 of an inch now with that line. But if you guys are in the mountains, maybe a quarter to a half an inch of freezing rain. Total snow, like I said, is there, but it's only one model. All right, we got another model that is coming out currently, expecting a very large storm. A little bit more off the East Coast, still rides it, but you tell some pretty heavy snow, very strong winds. I'm telling you right now, the winds for this has really ranked now into being a bigger problem than thought. Because what I'm about to show you with the wind forecast in just a moment, the winds are now up to 40 to 50 miles an hour inland. So now it's going to be more likely a whiteout conditions, even blizzard conditions for a brief time. It won't be classified as a blizzard because a blizzard needs to be 35-mile-an-hour winds constant, blowing snow, snowing for 3 hours. I don't think we're going to have that for that long, but definitely whiteout conditions on Saturday night. But this nor'easter keeps that freezing rain line just in south of Allentown. It's a little bit colder on this latest run. If we go back to the 12Z, it had it just a bit more north. So just a bit more south. So we'll have to keep that on the watch. But total snow, 6 to 10 inches. National Weather Service actually now only has 3 to 6, but I'm going to be actually calling for just a bit more. I'm thinking 6 to 10 still. Maybe I make it 5 to 10 to be on the safe side. So I might do 5 to 10. Change that number instead of 6 to 10 and be more closer. But National Weather Service actually put winter weather advisories. Their advisories and warnings are extremely weird. I'm not even going to lie. And I'm going to be getting some others' opinion about it because they have northern New Jersey. I'm actually going to show you that too. NAM 3KM. There's the big doozy here. This is more like the radar. You can tell, and wow, very big snow event. Very strong winds, I'm telling you. And it has it going more on the inland side, but that freezing rain makes it up to the Poconos, and then some back-end snow. Freezing rain accumulations, like I said, maybe up to a tenth of an inch of ice. So we have to now keep that on watch with that wind. That's going to be very important. Total snow, 6 to 10 south of Allentown, like the I-78. Maybe 6 to, no, not 6 to 10, 3 to 6. And then if you guys are in like the northern Lehigh Valley, northern Berks, northern New Jersey, I do think 6 to 10 is still very likely. What I've seen, we'll look at maybe the blend of models tonight. But if I have time, we might look at that now. But the winds, very strong, gusty winds are expected. I have realized, wow, this is going to be a pretty big wind event now. look at into Saturday. These winds are going to be cranking. Coming from the northern side and eastern side. So we'll have a general wind like that, and then like that, and most likely the winds like that. So I'll have a northeast winds. So that's gonna be very important. But these are in miles an hour, I think. So pretty, and this is wind gust surface. But you could tell very strong winds. I mean 40, 50 mile an hour winds now expected. Look at these. So very strong winds, and even as it moves on that backside, it's going to be a little bit of gusty winds. But it's not just the NAM showing the gustier winds. It's actually the HRRR too. Yeah, even the HRRR showing up to 40 to 50 mile an hour winds on that snowy side. So potentially whiteout conditions are going to be expected, I do think. But that's your pretty much latest on this storm with the mesoscales. We're gonna quickly look at the mean of all the models and just gets a nice just a update on this. This was Friday. Let's just make sure that, okay, that is the latest. So we'll look at that with the snow. So total snow, if you guys just south of Allentown, maybe 1 to 3 with the means of all models. But if you guys are in the northern Lehigh Valley, an average on the models is like 4 inches. So if you guys are in the Lehigh Valley, I think 4 inches will be your lowest and potentially a foot as your most. But especially as you go more interior, the averages go up to 6 to 10 inches. But New York, maybe a few inches. Philly, maybe an inch at best. But that's the mean of all models, and I think that's going to wrap it up. We'll have another discussion later tonight. See you guys later tonight with a new snow forecast. Bye.